Hey guys, this is William. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is a bit of a quick and or random video. I am currently doing the fuel pump on the 2004 Holden Commodore 3.8 liter V6 Ecotech. Obviously I have the tray out, but if you're going to be tackling the fuel pump on yours and you want to do it the quickest, first thing you're going to want to do is there are going to be some screws holding your bed liner in. Should be 4 total, so you take them all out, and the easiest way to get it out is you're literally just going to want to pick the plastic tray up from the middle, and then it'll collapse inwards and then you can pull it out. So once you have your tray out, here's the fuel tank lid. You're going to have several of Phillips screws all the way around it here, and then once you get it off, you can just place it off to the side. Get yourself a little milk carton or a tray. This is just an oil container that I cut in half so that when you pull the old pump out, you can just place it there so you don't get fuel everywhere. Obviously, here's your fuel tank. I'm about half a tank right now, and it's actually quite clean inside there, so about half tank, you should be okay. Obviously, don't do it when it's super full because it'll be a bit more of a mess. Highly recommend going to get one of these. You can get these at like Trade Tools, Cine Tools, Total Tools. There's the part number. Here's the back of it. Fuel disconnect tool. I am using the 3/8 blue, and basically here are the other ones. So all you do is you just clip it on there. You can flip it on either direction. Then once you clip it on there, you literally just push in and it'll pop right out. If you don't have access to this, you can use needle nose on the end here. I highly don't recommend it. I see a lot of these get destroyed over time, and if the new fuel pump is faulty and you have to take it off again, you can risk damaging this plastic hose here. So that's basically the basic gist of that. You're also going to want to get yourself some snap ring pliers, because there is a snap ring that holds the fuel pump in. That's it there. I'm just using some TTI snap ring pliers. I would say the tips are maybe, I don't know, 5 mil. They're not very big, so get yourself some snap ring pliers. That'll come out really easily. As well, here's my old fuel pump. When you take it off, it's gonna have this plastic ring here. This is obviously a new rubber gasket. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna transfer this old plastic ring from your old fuel pump onto your new one. Obviously there's a new O-ring there and you're good, so you're just going to be transferring this plastic ring, and you need it because the rubber seal will sit flush on it like that when you push it down. And so when you put the new fuel pump in, you're going to push it down, and obviously you're going to put your snap ring in. There's a bunch of grooves there, and it'll snap right in. Reconnect everything, brake clean this nice and clean. Then you're going to want to prime your fuel pump a few times with your ignition key. You put the key into ignition, prime it, you're gonna hear it, and then you turn it off, prime it a few times, and then it should fire up. So this is I'm pretty sure the OEM original GM Holden fuel pump. This unit has about 260,000 K on it, so I think I'm should be fixing my problem here with the no hard start and whatnot. I'm also changing my fuel pressure regulator as well. The fuel filter has already been done. So yeah, if this video helped you out, like and comment and subscribe. I'm just making this briefly quick because there's supposed to be some rain in the forecast, and I want to get this in. This is my daily driver, so yeah, I haven't really seen any other videos on how to do this on YouTube, so I figure I just post it. But yeah, this works for the 3.8 liter V6 Ecotech 2004 Holden Commodore Ute. Mine's a VY, but it should be the same as VZ, I believe. So yeah, and then fuel pump part number is right there. I got it from Cool Drive in the south side of Brisbane. So yeah, have a good one. Take care.